everybody, this is your girl Bree from Bree's Kitchen. How y'all doing? How y'all doing? How y'all doing? I have two special items that I'm going to do for you guys today. The first item is I'm giving you a step-by-step tutorial on how to make chocolate chip Reese cup cookies. And the other dessert is going to be Reese cup cheesecake, a no-bake Reese cup cheesecake. As you can see, I already have my Reese cups. I'm about to get started with the cookies. Okay, I've already cut and diced everything that I need. Okay, I will make sure that I will leave the description down at the bottom. Okay, I'm not gonna forget this time, y'all. Don't judge me. I be doing too much, honey. I do. I be doing too much sometimes. But this is gonna be a real simple, easy way to make chocolate chip cookies. Okay, you can take your dough. If you want to do chocolate chips, if you just want to do regular peanut butter cookies, you could do those as well. You can get you the store-bought cookie dough. You can get the store-bought, oh, sorry y'all. You can get the store-bought cookie dough if you like, whatever that you feel comfortable in using. Okay, I've already got my dough already ready. See how it is? I was letting it sit out so it could become room temperature because it was frozen, y'all. I had made it last night, and yeah, I made it last night, you guys. And when I tell you, I was like, oh my God, I got up this morning and I was like, oh my God, I forgot I gotta do the tutorial. Y'all, I be so busy. But I do be trying so hard to make sure whatever I tell you guys what I'm gonna do and the time and when, that you guys will tune on in to watch me. You know, so you can get these lessons, honey. Yes, sir. Trying to give y'all a lesson, honey. So y'all stuff could be like Bree Kitchen things. Y'all, it is so easy. I already, you can use butter. Some people like to use butter. I like to use the spray vegetable oil for my cookies. To me, it tastes better. But if you would like to use butter, you can use butter. I'm giving you Bree's way. Okay. I'm going to give you Bree's way. And I already have my peanut butters out. Okay. And I will show you guys, and y'all be patient with me. I'll be getting a new stand real soon, y'all. I'm just waiting on it to arrive, so you guys can really see exactly what it is that I'm doing, okay? So now it's crazy because I be want to show you guys literally step by step, but I broke my darn stand. I have to, already have things pre-ready and just do the video real quick. Okay, but glad you guys being patient and understanding. I'm still give you Bree's way, okay? And this recipe is so easy, y'all. It don't take a whole lot of time. I promise you it don't. It do not take a lot of time. And once you put all your cookies in your cookie pan, I'm doing miniature size, you guys. Oh, wow. Hold on, you guys. Oh, Lord. I was trying to make sure I had everything in place. But I'm going to show you guys how it look. This is how it look after you cut your dough in half. Break off as much as you want into your cup. And now we're about to put them in the oven. Okay, you guys, I'm back. I've let it cool down for a little while. Now I'm beginning to add my pieces of Reese cups inside of the cookies. You guys see how I'm doing it? I tell you, this is so easy. This will fit anybody's birthday. I'm sorry, y'all. I'm trying to, wow, you see how it is? Do you guys see this? Tell me what y'all wouldn't love this. This fit any kid's birthday party. Sure, it'll fit an adult birthday party too. Guess what? Adults love cookies. I love treats like this. I can eat stuff like this all day. Yes, sir. All day long. I told you I have two desserts that I was going to show you guys how I created. The first one, I showed you guys the chocolate chip peanut butter cookies. Now I'm getting ready for, guess what? The second dessert, which is a no-bake Reese cup cheesecake. Yeah, you heard me. A no-bake. I'm going to let you know the ingredients that you're going to need for those. You're going to need your 2 boxes of cream cheese. Okay, cream cheese. And I already told you guys I'm about saving money. Not off brand. You don't have to get the Philly cheese, cream cheese just for your stuff to taste good. No, don't believe that. Don't believe the hype. Get you a box of cream cheese. Also, some vanilla extract. You're going to need a stick of nonstick butter, as well as your Oreo cookies. You're going to open your Oreo cookie up. If you like, I don't like, I take the icing outside of the cookie. I scrape them off, put them in a separate bowl, and I just use the cookie, crunch them up. As you guys see, that's what I'm doing. I'm crunching them up because that's going to be my bread at the bottom, as well as not only with the chocolate, the Oreo cookie, you're also going to need a bag of M&Ms, peanut butter kind, Reese cup if you want to add the Reese cup just for the presentation, as well as you're going to mix peanut butter. You're going to mix it all together. You're going to put your heavy cream in your cheese. So bread, I told you guys I am about saving money. If you guys can see, I do apologize that it's dark, but I already told you the situation. I'll be getting my stands real soon. So, yes, you would need heavy whipped cream. Okay, you're going to need a heavy whipped cream. And you're going to whip all of it together until it becomes fluffy. You guys remember, no salt butter. No salt butter, okay? Because like I've told you before, you do not want to put salt on top of salt on top of salt and then sugar. It's not going to taste right. We don't want to do that, okay? So, if you missed anything, I will leave the ingredients at the bottom of this video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and make sure your notification bell is turned on so you can be notified each and every time I upload a video, which I upload a video every single day. And when I'm not on YouTube, you also can find me at Bree's Kitchen, Instagram, as well as Facebook. If you would like to leave me a message or send me a shout, whatever, you can also reach me at breezekitchen6@gmail.com. You guys, we're about to get this thing started. So, guess what? Stay tuned. All right, you guys, I'm back. I thought I broke my blender. I'm about to have a fit. But you guys, I'm done with the Nobake Reese cup cheesecake. I'm gonna get ready to flip the camera so you guys can see the type of consistency that you would need for your cheesecake. All right. You see, guys, you want this type of consistency for your cream cheese. You see, it's a nice thick cream. I already crumbled up the cookies. I got a big one, and then I have a small one. All right. And with that is done. That takes time is for it to mold in the way that you want it to mold. But remember, you guys, what did I tell you? You can get a box of cream cheese. If you want store brand, if you want name brand, that's totally up to you. You get your cream cheese, your stick of butter, you get your vanilla extract, as well as your heavy whipped cream. You see, you need your heavy whipped cream, sugar. And if you want to add butter to your cookies, you can add butter if you want. If you don't have to, it's not necessary. But if that's what you like, then you can also add those as well. Now, since I'm done with the cream cheese, you guys, getting ready to put it into my bowl, I'm going to add, remember you guys, I told you I was going to do Reese's Pieces. I'm going to do these. And then I'm going to chop just a few pieces of my Reese cups inside, okay? And I'll drape some on top, all right? So, you guys, I will be back with the finished touch. And I promise you, I will leave all of the ingredients and everything that I've used at the bottom of this video, okay? Like, comment, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Make sure your bell is turned on so you can be notified each and every time I upload a video. I upload a video every single day. And when I'm not on YouTube, also follow me on Bree's Kitchen, Instagram, Facebook, breezekitchen6@gmail.com. I'll be back. All right, you guys, I'm done. I'm finally done presenting you chocolate chip Reese cup cookies, peanut butter no-bake cheesecake with Oreo cookies, and here is another one with just Oreo cookies, peanut butter no-bake cheesecake with the chopped Reese cup in the inside. So, you guys, now I'm about to put them in the refrigerator, let them sit for a few hours, and we will bust it open, y'all. Yes, we're gonna. Oh, Lord. Hey, everybody. And this is your girl, Reese. I'm showing you guys a finished touch of the no-bake Oreo, peanut butter Oreo cheesecake. Here we go. Y'all get the first bite. Tell me what y'all think. Oh. Y'all hear that? Hell dog. Oh my goodness. This is good. This is good. Now I'm about to go with that whipped cream in this thing. Wow. I can't even talk. This is really good. Really, really good. Will I make this again? Yes, sir. Give me a little piece of this cookie, y'all. Y'all can't get none of this cookie. That's all mine. Y'all, that was fast. This is the last bite. Sight. Okay. That's the last bite, y'all. You can have it. That's my appreciation gift. Tell me what you think. You like it? That's what you call feeding your soul. Now, about to go to work. Gotta go brush my teeth. Talk to you guys later. I'm out.
Oh my God!